guys, so it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be, I guess, like a chit chat, get rid of me hair edition. I was sent a wig to review from Unice Hair, so if you want to see what they sent me, then stay tuned. Okay, so Unice Hair sent me it kind of came beat up, y'all, but they sent me a U Part wig. So as you can see, I do have my hair braided, and this is my leave out. This is honestly the same braid pattern I had from my last U Part wig video with another hair company. So I just kept my hair the same, and then the only difference between this install and that install is that I'm actually going to be putting heat on my natural hair. Last time I really didn't have to straighten my hair, but since this is a silkier texture, I have to. But of course, you get your wig right here. They send you one of those little, I'm assuming this is like a edge scarf for your edges, and then you get a wig cap. So shout out to Unice Hair for the goodies, and we're gonna get started on the review. So this is the wig. They sent me an 18-inch Brazilian straight U Part wig. It comes like this. You have the lunch lady net on it, and then you have the paper. Y'all know the works. And inside you have the two combs. Well, you have this little, these two straps right here that you cut. You have two combs, and then you have one in the back is in adjustable straps. The hair is honestly like a natural brown color, so I'm definitely gonna have to eventually dye this wig to match my hair, probably black. But so far so good. There's no weird smells or anything, but this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna try it on real quick. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part yet. Kind of thinking side, because I just like side parts on me. I'm thinking side. I do have enough hair to do a side or a middle, so I'm not really worried. A middle would be kind of cute too. You know what? I'm gonna ask Instagram real quick, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I asked Instagram and they told me to do a side part, so that's what we're gonna do today. So real quick, I'm gonna take this off. Ow. These combs definitely work. Okay. I don't know if it's normal to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and stuff now. Now, if you guys don't know, I have scalp psoriasis. So if y'all see some flakes, that's what it is. But I mean, I've already greased my scalp and tried to, like, you know, fix it, but my scalp is gonna do what it wants, and I don't want to do anything else that's gonna irritate it. But yeah, so you guys, like, what have y'all been watching on Netflix? Like, I feel like now that I'm working, all I do is like go to work and come home and watch Netflix, because Greenleaf is over. So the only like TV that I watch is The Chi, P-Valley, and Real Housewives of Potomac. But those all literally come on Sundays. So during the week, I have nothing to watch. So I usually just watch Netflix. And I've literally watched everything on Netflix. I've watched that new Power show, not show, it was a movie, with Jamie Foxx, which was really, really good. I recommend everybody watch it. But yeah, it was actually really good. And then I've watched, what else did I watch? I'm gonna go ahead and just flat iron my edges too. Anyways, so I've watched that. What else have I watched? Ouch, I told y'all I had greased my scalp, so it sizzles. Anyway, let's see. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I wanted to watch, I've already watched that. And what else have I watched? I finished Glow Up, which is like a makeup show. And then I finished, what else did I watch? Honestly, I've pretty much seen everything. Like I told y'all, Greenleaf ended. I didn't watch it on Netflix though. I watched it like when it normally came on. And what else? Child, everything, pretty much. Just pretty much everything. So this is super duper hot. Anyway, so yeah, so I've pretty much watched everything there is to watch. So I need some new stuff. I think I'm gonna start Lucifer because Lauren be watching that and she said it's really good. So I might start that soon. Other than that, child, okay, so I have, it's not an obsession, but it's really, really bad. I'm not proud of it, but I found myself going into like a rabbit hole of tarot card readings. And it's like, I know like y'all are probably gonna be judging me like, Keandra, why are you doing that? It's of the devil, blah, blah, blah. And y'all know I know firsthand, my dad's a preacher. But sometimes it just pops up and then it's been accurate. So it's like once you know, find one that resonates, you kind of just can't stop watching. And so that's what I really just be watching all day, which is really bad, and I'm trying to stop. But it'd be easy to stop if it wasn't true all the time. But anyway, other than that, that's something I'm recently trying to stop. Don't judge me. Please don't be in the comments dragging me. I'm working on it. But anyways, so yeah, so we're gonna do a side part. So I already know I have too much hair out, but I have a lot of hair out because, so I can do a middle part, or if I want to do, I can do a side. So what I'm going to do is figure this out. I'm gonna do this side part. It's gonna be like that and like that. And then I'm gonna, I guess, twist this away. Y'all, my leave out has grown so much. I remember like back when we used to wear sew-in, the leave out, and our leave out would be like this, not like this long. Come on. Anyway, so I'm gonna braid this away. Let's see if I can braid it back. Y'all, I'm not the best braider, but I really be doing enough to get by, and I'm so proud of me. And but I really kind of want to go back to sew-ins. Like I have this one hair company sending me some actual bundles, and like I just be so mad because I can never get a sew-in because I review so much hair. So I always have to opt for like quick hairstyles, like half up, half downs, or quick weaves. So I'm probably gonna do a quick weave with it, to be honest, so I can wear that for like a week, like when I go to work, and then take it out. Because basically now that I'm working full-time, my schedule is basically filming on weekends. So oh, my hair sheds so much. So that's basically what's up. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put the wig on and hopefully this fits. So we got one comb right there, and then one comb there. I'm gonna put this one at the bottom. And then I'm gonna try to do this one again, which is weird. Okay. And this one, oh, it has, yeah, I think this wig got more than one comb now that I think about it. Anyway, okay, so this is the wig on. This is so pretty. Unice always has the best hair though. And one thing I do like about them, because I feel like a lot of people, or maybe it's people I watch since we're all getting older, like the long stripper hair is kind of like going out of style, and so everyone's getting like 18 and 20 inches, but like Unice's 18 inches are always like a solid 20, if we're being honest. Like if you really want a 20 inch but you can only afford an 18 inch, girl, go ahead and get the 18 inch, because if you're, you know, of course, you know, buying with Unice, because they give you like that extra inch, them extra inches. Okay, I'm gonna have to put bobby pins, or maybe I won't, child, I don't know. I might, because of the little flaps, I don't know if you guys can see a little flap, you might put bobby pins there, but maybe not, I don't know. Okay, so anyways, back to what I was talking about, Netflix. Yeah, so Power is a good movie. I think everyone should watch. I'm trying to think what else. Are y'all, speaking of Power, are y'all gonna watch that new, oh y'all see these flakes? I'm embarrassed. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go, let me go get some oil. This is the most realest This is the realest hair review y'all will probably ever see on my channel. Y'all, oh, actually it's not that bad. It's only bad in the front. Did I get all the flakes out? If y'all can see the flakes, act like y'all can't, because I don't feel like going to get no oil. Okay, cool. Anyway, so speaking of power, are y'all gonna watch the Power Book 2 with Tyreek and Tasha? Those are like my least favorite people on the show. I don't just see myself just watching them, and then I really don't like 50 Cent, so I kind of don't want to give him no money or views. I guess it's not really money. I don't know how it works, but you know, it's not like YouTube, like I won't give him no money, no views. But yeah, look at this. Okay, now I just gotta flat iron it, but I seen the trailer for it and I was just like, I mean, if it ain't nothing else to watch, I may watch it, but I don't like 50 Cent and I don't like Tyreek, so I don't know if I'm gonna watch it or not, but I guess we'll see. Come on, hair, look how my hair blend. Y'all, I know y'all anti-relaxer, but a relaxer bless my life, I'm telling y'all. And then it's like, it's not like I can't just go natural again if I want to. And honestly, I haven't had a perm in about 2 months, so I really could, but I'm not. I love being relaxed. It just works better for me because I do a lot of hair reviews. I low-key need to use my hot comb on my roots. I'm not going to though because I don't feel like it, but maybe in the future I will. But yeah, I know this chit chat is like all over the place. I even cut my air off for you guys because y'all know my air be loud. But I cut it off for you guys, so I need to hurry up for my house get hot. This hair straightens so pretty. And if you guys know, I already reviewed their regular their regular 18-inch straight wig with it was like a frontal, I think. Yeah, I already have that, but sometimes I just don't be feeling like trying to blend the closure, and it be a whole lot of like, and it's just easy just to blend your hair for like a more natural install. And I think that looks so good, y'all. What do y'all think? So anyway, but yeah, so that's basically like all I really been doing is just watching Netflix and tarot card videos. And like I said, I'm gonna stop, y'all. I promise I will. And the only reason I'm telling you guys is so y'all can hold me accountable, because I know once I tell y'all, then I can't go back on my word, because I'm a person of my word. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop watching tarot card readings. Also, if I didn't thank you guys already, I want to thank y'all for the good feedback and everyone who posted me and my dad on their stories, because that video is getting a lot of views. I'm sure my dad thinks he's a celebrity now. I did have to cut the comments off because I got a comment from someone that I know. I wouldn't care if like someone I didn't know, like a stranger, wrote something bad on there about me and my dad, but it was from someone I actually knew. And I just thought it was weird because you have my number, or like you have other ways to get in contact with me. Like, you know where I stay. Like, nobody knows where I stay. So the fact that you know where I stay and you still chose to comment on my YouTube video saying that you had a problem with the video, that didn't sit well with me. So I just cut the comments off. And it's not that big of a deal. If you have something positive to say, you can still DM me and tell it to me, or that's what other people are doing, like posting it on their Instagram. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh God, I really hope that my hair, I'm low-key scared because I don't want my hair to revert, because my what's the names, not my edges, my roots are natural because I need a perm, so I don't want them to revert, but it's looking like it is. I need a bobby pin too. Okay, anyway. Anyway, so let me go get a bobby pin and fix this and I'll come back. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I love this hair. It is so pretty. It is soft, no tangles, no shedding. Y'all already know Unice hair is the truth. Like, I really just came here because I want to talk to y'all and show y'all my new hair. I ain't even have to review this hair because this hair is bomb. It was fairly affordable. I think it was like $114 maybe. Super cheap. Like I said, this is how long it is on me. You guys know I am 4'11" and a half. So it goes right below my boob, which is where all my 20-inch wigs go. So like I said, they will give you them extra inches. Super easy to install. It doesn't hurt. My braids aren't even the flattest and it still looks super duper cute. So yes, make sure you guys go and check out Unice hair, get this wig. Let me know some Netflix suggestions in the comments below, because I need something new to watch, you guys, because I'm running out of stuff to watch. And I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.